It's Kyla and her baby. Come out here to meet the cat. They're inches from each other, but I think that everybody's relaxed because I'm sitting down. Hi, Kyla. Hi. Thank you. Here comes another cat. And there's Kyla. I'm just going to get up and stand over here. There we go. So the cats are meeting the goats now. So that's very cool. Very chill. Two kitties, two camouflage kitties. Mother and daughter. And there's Mama Itty Bitty and Fat Cosmo. Oh yeah, see, we're all chill. There's no head button. We're all friends. Yeah.